Brita's premium filtering stainless steel bottle holds 32 ounces of water, and is designed with a Brita filter that fits in the straw that makes water taste great and keeps water cold for 24 hours. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. This 32 ounces Brita water bottle is made from durable, double-wall insulated stainless steel to keep water cold and features a leak-proof lid, height 10.6, diameter 3.8, weight 1.1 pound. The filter reduces chlorine, taste and odor, and more with every sip, compatible with Brita water bottle replacement filters. For the freshest tasting water, the Brita stainless steel water bottle filter should be replaced after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. Top reviews from the United States. Love this water bottle. These stainless steel Brita water bottles with filter have been a favorite of mine for many years. I carry one just about everywhere I go. I've even carried one to South Africa, Belize, Japan and several times to Hawaii. On my last trip to Hawaii, I tripped and fell on lava rock and my stainless steel Brita water bottle hit the sharp lava rock first and saved me from some serious cuts and injury. I still did suffer some cuts and bruises, though the bottle in my hand broke my fall. I still have this bottle with a dent from the fall. Thank you Brita water bottle gods for helping to prevent worse injury.